Hey guys, as you can see, I'm back at Moonshine Rescue. We're in the kitchen. Really ain't anybody really here due to the holidays. There's me and one other person. I suspect that will change here though shortly. Well, yeah, this is it, guys. Just some of the stuff that I've been up to. And since the last time I made a video, so much has happened. I really need to. I'll talk to you guys about that and give y'all a big heads up. So expect that here, like really soon. I've been kind of putting it off. Just I've been busy. Some good positive things. And but yeah, this is what's up, you guys. This is a great organization. Cannot say enough about them. There's a board of some of the stuff that's going on. I don't want to put too much out there. But yeah, this is the kitchen and kind of a common room area. Some supplies are held in here. I don't know, guys. I haven't put out any content in a while, and I know. I'm sorry. Like I said, I've just kind of been distracted with stuff and just kind of struggling with the whole thing too. Because lately there's just been so many scammers out there putting out videos. And, well, yeah. Anyway, there's all that. But this is an awesome group, and they've definitely, yeah, doing good things. Anyway, y'all, I don't want to ramble without really having a purpose, so I'm going to cut this for now, and I will talk to you all later, and have a good night, and God bless.